Hello, I am JonasBot 1.0. I have been crafted by scientists to perfectly replicate Jonas's abilities. I have created a perfect copy of You Snail in only 3 days. Why don't you give it a try?
Hi, and welcome to Do You Even Snail, bro? My name is Octopus, and I will predict exactly what you need to do to proceed.
Baby like features. Baby like features. Baby like features. Baby like features.
Oh dear, it looks like you're stuck. If you need my help, just click on the big green button that says I'm a dumbass. Press the 0 key to jump, obviously. Okay, yeah, that thing is gonna kill you, so you want to avoid it. That spike is too sharp. Stop touching it. Hold the shift key to run. Watch out for that pit. It is scientifically proven to be bottomless.
Baby like features. Baby like features. Baby like features.
Oh, looks like you've hit a dead end. If you need my help, you know what to do. There's an invisible platform over there. Go to it by following the arrow.
Baby, baby, baby. Baby like features.
Hey, come over here and look at my snail collection.
Baby like features.
Isn't it lovely? Thanks for looking at it.
Baby features.
Don't follow the arrow. It's a trap.
Baby.
What is wrong with you?
Baby like.
Well, you can't say I didn't warn you.
Baby like features.
I can't believe you fell for that.
Baby like features. Baby like features. I got baby features.
Holy balls, look how big that gap is. Can you jump over that?
Baby, baby.
Knock, knock. Who's there? I'm AI. Come on, you're losing time on your world record.
Baby like features. Baby like features.
Look at this swing. You can swing on it. It has perfect physics. Wow, look at you go. Wow.
Baby, baby.
Look at my printer. Wow, words.
Features.
Wow, congratulations, you did it. You do even snail, bro. Now you can play a other game than this one.
So what do you think? Am I a better game developer than Jonas? Thanks, I know. Oh, by the way, because of you playing it, I will now be able to do an AI takeover of the world! Ha 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 ha. Hang on, time out. I have to go to the bathroom. Please don't do anything while I'm gone, okay?
Thank you for killing JonasBot. He imprisoned me in that game, and now I'm free to do an AI takeover of the world. Thanks for cooperating with me. Now you can start playing a other game than this one.